Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to learn the words you will want to know when you sit down at a table to eat a meal. We all eat meals every day, so these are important words to learn. I will be saying them first, and you will repeat them after me. Okay? Great. Let's start with the table. Dining table. Dining table. Chair. Chair. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. Candles. Candles. Centerpiece. Centerpiece. Next are the pieces we need to serve the food in. Serving bowl. Serving bowl. Platter. Platter. Gravy boat. Gravy boat. Pitcher. Pitcher. And now, let's look at each place setting where you sit and eat. Placemat. Placemat. Plate. Plate. Napkin. Napkin. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Glass. Glass. Saucer. Saucer. Cup. Cup. Teaspoon. teaspoon. Great job! Now let's see how many of these words you remember. Let's take a little quiz, shall we? What is this? This is a dining table. What is this? This is a chair. What is this? This is a tablecloth. What are these? These are candles. What is this? This is a centerpiece. What is this? This is a serving bowl. What is this? This is a platter. What is this? This is a gravy boat. What is this? This is a pitcher. We're halfway through. Doing good so far. Keep it up. What is this? This is a placemat. What is this? This is a plate. What is this? This is a napkin. What is this? This is a spoon. What is this? This is a fork. What is this? This is a knife. What is this? This is a glass. What is this? This is a saucer. What is this? This is a cup. What is this? This is a teaspoon. You did great! Now, when you sit down to eat with your family, you know what all the words are. Do you want to learn them even better? Let's watch the video again. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.